Equals at Kelatos, we understand how frustrating it is when your Thermomix TM5 won't start at all. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue could arise from a faulty component, possibly the main board, which can prevent your Thermomix from powering up. We can repair or replace the necessary parts to get it back to working order. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.